West News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, we had one line of storms go through our northwestern counties. We had some gusts as high as 45 miles an hour in Newton and Jasper County. Now just a lot of rain up here, perhaps a little bit of thunder and lightning, but squall line is just off to our southwest. Now this is gradually working its way to the northeast and will pass here over about the next 1 to 2 hours. If we zoom in a little bit tighter, you can see it's about as far north as I-74, and this may clip Lafayette, maybe Battleground, Logansport, and Rochester. If we zoom out a little bit, first of all, you can see the line, Paris, Illinois, up to Danville, and how it's moving pretty quickly up towards Fountain and Montgomery counties, but it goes all the way back through south central Illinois. And we've had a lot of warnings with it, and I've been looking at some of the wind data with this line of storms, and it's pretty impressive. Notice as I click on some of the data, there's a gust of 77, 68 miles an hour. You look down, there's 50 miles an hour. There's 62 miles an hour. And even as close as just southwest of Fountain County, there's a gust of almost 50. And just not that far away down here in Vermilion County, Illinois, there's a gust of almost 50. So again, the line means business. It's moving northeast, so I still cannot rule out at least some sporadic damaging wind gusts as we get into the next 1 to 2 hour period here. And I would not even rule out perhaps a very isolated, weak little tornado. But again, the key word is isolated. 64 degrees right now on this January night at the station. 65 Crawfordsville, 62 Frankfort. But notice it's 52 Morocco. The front's already gone through, so the squall line's going to work its way up like this. So if you live up towards Remington, Fowler, Morocco, and Rensselaer, you're fine. You are in the clear for the night, and that little squall line is working up higher dew points. We talked about this at 6. Dew points of 60, 61. It's really key to get any severe weather down to the surface. Notice the dew point's 61 at Crawfordsville, 60 Covington, 58 Lafayette. So you get the idea. It's mainly looking like the southeast half of the area with a sporadic severe gust and perhaps very weak isolated tornado threat tonight. This would generally be from about a Montmorency, Pine Village, Monticello, and Rochester line and point southeastward. And again, this is going to be over about the next 1 to perhaps 2 hours as this thing races through. And total rainfall, again, 1 to 3 inches from all this. A lot of places will get 1 to 2 if you count what we had today, but there'll be some isolated places of 2 to 3. 1.61 expected for Lafayette, near 2 Morocco, and 1.6 for Delphi, and about the same for Frankfort. A little dry slot tomorrow morning, perhaps a couple of peaks of sun, but as we get into the day, maybe an isolated shower or two, and then a few flurries, perhaps a couple of snow showers as we get into tomorrow evening. And then the Arctic air rolls in. Notice the temps tomorrow, 47 in the morning, but falling all day will be down to 33 by 6 o'clock. Only 22 degrees Thursday. Some flurries, couple snow showers tomorrow night, Thursday morning. If there's any accumulation at all, it sure won't amount to much. 5 on Friday morning with a high of 18. So we're going to drop about 60 degrees from tonight to Friday morning, and then perhaps a few flurries, a little light snow on Saturday. So that line of storms coming up from the southwest, sporadic wind, very isolated, weak tornado possible.